Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and today's video we're going to unboxing, have a first look at this UGREEN keyboard here. So this is the UGREEN USB wired mechanical keyboard. It's a compact version. You can see it's 10 kilos. It doesn't have a numpad and it's very small. So that is the main highlight of this product. So we're going to take a quick look by opening it, and we're going to test it out and see how it fares. And also we'll test the keyboard and see the sound of the keys and the switches as well. So let's get into the unboxing right away. Alright, so we have the box here. Let us unbox this keyboard. So let us cut all the seals, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at the packaging behind, so you can see more information right here. We have the detachable cable, we have a quiet linear switch, we have ultra compact layout and appealing lighting, so it does have some LED backlight. And we also have the full N key rollover for enhanced accuracy, and last but not least, multi-OS compatible, so you're going to work with Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. So that's amazing. So here are the specs. As I said, we have 61 keys, so this is a really compact keyboard, and yeah, it's going to be very useful for those of you guys who have very small workspace. This is going to keep things small and compact. So here is a quick layout of the product. You can take a close look at it, but we're going to open it and see it in person. So let me cut off the seals and then we can get started by take a look at this product. So let us cut it out. So we have the tape here. Let me just cut this, and we can just open it from here, I believe. Or we can just cut at both sides, so yeah, it's easier to take out. So let's cut this side as well. Anyway, let's take a quick look. Oh, alright, so it just comes in this one color. I don't see any other option for any more other colors, but it does have some LED backlight. You can change the color. So yeah, just take this out first. So we'll see what we get in the box. I think, yeah, we do get something. So let me just show you guys quickly. So put the keyboard aside, let's take a quick look what we get in the box. So we got the USB cable. So let's take a quick look. So here we go. So as I said, we have a USB Type A cable to Type C to power the device, because this is wired. We have the instructions manual. If you don't know how to operate it, you can read it. And we have the keyboard guide here, looks like. So we have for English and we have in other languages as well. And yep, that's it. So that's all we got in the box. So now let's take a quick look at the actual product. So yeah, I'm really curious to see how it feels. And it's very light. That's one thing to say already. It's super light. This is really light. So you can see how small is this. This is so compact compared to my full-size keyboard. It's really good. And wow, it's actually pretty nice to type. So the main thing is the numpad is missing, and the arrow keys as well is not here. So they actually combine it here. I know that's a bit of a downside, but to sacrifice to make it compact, they have to do that, so you won't have any more space here. Instead, it's very compact, 61 keys only, so that is why you have some command and alternate keys here combined with the option and Windows key combined as well. So yeah, so that is nice. And all the F1 to F12 is up here. I guess we can switch it later, but overall I think typing on this thing is okay. It's not that noisy, but it's still nice to type. So pretty nice switch. I think they're using red switches. Yeah, pretty cool. So it's very nice to type. You just like that, you can see the sound. Yeah, it's a bit loud, but I think it's not that loud. It's okay for a red switch. And yeah, you can see the design overall, very nice. And there's the power USB-C cable, and this is the kickstand for you to tilt it at a certain angle so you can use your keyboard. So let me plug in the device to show you guys the lightings, because I think we can change the lightings. So let me just power on my PC first, and then we'll see the keyboard in action. Alright guys, so I've plugged in my keyboard to my laptop so we can do a quick typing test, so we can see how it fares. But you can see the lightings came on and everything. You can change this. The manual you got actually tells you everything you need to know, and you can see we have the backlit brightness adjustment, which you can control. Let me just put it closer so you can see. You need to press function plus all those keys, so you can increase the brightness, decrease, change lighting effects. You have 19 modes, and you have speed, decrease and increase. So the FN key is right here. You can see my finger here. you need to press this, and then you have to hold on to the keys that you want to increase or decrease. It's up to you. You need to follow all the things they say here. And you have more function keys as well, because this keyboard is so compact. They have squeezed in the arrow keys as well. You can see it's also shared, so you need to press FN to control these arrow keys, and same goes with the F1 to F12 as well. They're all shared, so that's something to take note of. And other than that, it's pretty much the same keyboard like others. So let's say I'm gonna type my name, Jeremy Hui. Yeah, pretty nice. And yeah, everything is really good. So the switches responsiveness, I guess, is really cool. I mean, it's very quick. I just type softly so you can see it responds very fast. So let's say I want to go down, you need to press FN, down. Yeah, it's like this. And say space, space. I want to go up, and just like that. You can see, I go up, hold FN, go down. I think it's okay since this is a small keyboard. I think it's acceptable. I know some people like to have that dedicated keys, but I think this is so compact. I think it's really nice. You can see it's even smaller than my laptop. My laptop is quite long, so yeah, this is a really compact keyboard. And other than that, you can see the lightings, really cool. You can change it. You can just hold the FN key. You can change. Look at that, we have another effect. We have 19 effects to play with, so I think this is pretty awesome. Yeah, so many effects you can play around with. Look at that. I think it's pretty cool. And that, I think this product overall is really good for its price. It's really affordable compared to many keyboards. Considering this is a pretty small keyboard, I think this is really nice pricing. But obviously you do sacrifice the, as I said, the arrow keys. There's no dedicated arrow keys, but I think having FN here is acceptable still. You can still like type stuff and then you just go down, up. I think it's okay. You can just use your finger here. Not too bad. But overall, I think I'm really happy with this purchase. So it's really nice to type. I guess it's also really responsive. The switches is not super loud. It's okay. This is normal typing. You can see this is the sound. Yeah, this normal typing. Press 1, 2, 3. Yes. Overall, I think it's not that loud, but it's alright, I would say. And then I think that's pretty much it for the demo. We pretty much showcase everything about this keyboard, and this is the size. I can give you guys a look. Let me just turn this on so you can also have a look at it like this. So you can put it at a certain angle where you can just type like that. I think it's pretty nice. This is really cool. Yeah, this keyboard is really nice overall. Yeah. It doesn't run on battery because you can see we have to plug in on the left side. So it is wired. You need to plug in. It's not wireless or something. It's wired. Take note of that. Other than that, I think overall this is a really fantastic product from UGREEN. If you're interested in buying this keyboard, link in the description if you're interested. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this quick little unboxing and first look of this UGREEN USB wired mechanical keyboard. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.